This is the final video to solve Illustrator crashing on save after custom brush strokes. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Illustrator crashing on save after custom brush strokes. And I am going to share them with you. Outdated graphics drivers often lead to rendering conflicts, especially when Illustrator's sophisticated GPU acceleration attempts to process complex custom brush data. Updating your drivers provides the latest optimizations and bug fixes, ensuring smooth communication between your system's hardware and Illustrator, which prevents the GPU from encountering unexpected instructions during demanding operations like saving. Similarly, an outdated Illustrator version might contain known bugs that cause instability. Updating to the latest release ensures you have all the critical patches that address these specific crashing scenarios, especially those related to memory management during file saves. Illustrator's GPU performance feature, while enhancing speed, can introduce instability if your graphics card or its driver isn't perfectly compatible with the current software version. When you disable this setting, Illustrator reverts to CPU-based rendering. The CPU, being a more general-purpose processor, handles graphical computations in a more sequential and less specialized manner, which, although slower, often provides greater stability and avoids the specific hardware-software conflicts that trigger crashes during resource-intensive tasks like saving a document with complex custom brush data. Corrupted preference files are a frequent culprit behind erratic application behavior. These files store user-specific settings, shortcuts, and configuration data. Over time, these can become damaged, leading to unexpected errors. Resetting Illustrator preferences effectively purges these potentially corrupted files, forcing the application to generate a fresh, default set of preferences. This ensures that no lingering bad data is interfering with core operations, particularly the save function, which relies on stable internal configurations to write the file correctly to disk. Complex custom brush strokes, especially those with high detail, multiple parameters, or large pixel dimensions, can significantly increase the computational burden on Illustrator. When you attempt to save a document containing numerous such strokes, the application might exceed its available memory or processing capacity, leading to a crash. Simplifying these brushes by reducing their complexity, using fewer anchor points, or breaking down an overly intricate document into smaller, manageable parts directly reduces the strain on Illustrator's engine. This allows the application to process and save the file within its operational limits, preventing resource exhaustion and subsequent crashes.